normal until it didn't. Z readings were within expected range. I have Z logs here, I have every number. I can account for all of it except Z change. I am running Z incident report now. I am noting Z conditions in Z time. Z pressure vast consistent with Z mission profile. I cannot find Z fault line in Z design. Something in Z structure, thus holding something in. I should have read Z tolerance specs before I let you in. I'm filing this under catastrophic disassembly. I'm noting Z time and Z force and Z failure. I'm logging Z fragments across Z debris field. Structural collapse, no anomalous behavior. Collecting every piece I can locate. I have been dating fragments, marking where they fell. Z pattern of dispersal indicates the origin point. Vast somewhere in Z center, I can tell. Z force expanded outward from a single source. Z failure vast, not gradual, it vast complete. I have a fragment here that still has your name on it. I'm logging it and placing it with Z debris. Omzing in Z tolerance exceeded its design. I keep reviewing my own calculations, looking for Z sign. I'm filing this under catastrophic disassembly. I'm noting Z time and Z force and Z failure. I'm logging Z fragments across Z debris field. Structural collapse, no anomalous behavior. Pressure I was not built for. Filing this under catastrophic disassembly. I'm noting Z time and Z force and Z failure. I have logged every fragment across Z debris field. Structural collapse, no anomalous behavior.